Have you ever pondered why one should learn an ancient language, particularly Sanskrit, in this digital age? It might sound like a head-scratcher, but ancient languages offer a unique gateway to our past, helping us comprehend the roots of modern languages. Sanskrit, a timeless classic, has been the bedrock of many contemporary languages. It's not just about cracking linguistic codes, but also about appreciating the rich tapestry of human cultural evolution. Sanskrit, an ancient Indian language, holds a treasure trove of benefits waiting to be unlocked. Delving into Sanskrit is akin to embarking on an enlightening journey. As we step onto the path of this ancient language, we discover a world that stimulates cognitive development. The complex grammar and rich vocabulary of Sanskrit challenge our minds, enhancing our memory and analytical skills. But the benefits of learning Sanskrit extend beyond cognitive growth. The language offers a deeper understanding of yoga and meditation scripts, often written in Sanskrit, enhancing our connection with these practices. It provides an insightful gateway to ancient Indian texts, opening up a treasure trove of wisdom and knowledge. Furthermore, Sanskrit serves as a root language for many modern languages, making it a key to unlocking linguistic puzzles. Learning Sanskrit can thus enhance your understanding of several other languages, from Hindi to English. As you can see, the benefits of learning Sanskrit extend beyond pure academia, reaching into personal development and cultural understanding. In the brief time we've spent together, we've embarked on a journey into the world of Sanskrit. We've delved into the significance of learning ancient languages and discovered why Sanskrit holds a special place. It's not just about acquiring another language, but also gaining a deeper understanding of culture, philosophy, and life itself. The benefits are many, from cognitive enhancement to a sense of connectedness with our rich past. So, are you ready to explore the rich heritage of Sanskrit and unlock a world of knowledge?